Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide media when posted as links on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click text and media, and here as you see you will find display images and videos in lowercase, and that's it. Just click like this and it will be hidden. That's it. That's how to hide media when posted as links on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.